Friends, 780,000 euro dollars in the portfolio, 3 million in positions, 3 million. This is my public portfolio, my friends. And this morning the market is down 2% and I am up. Well, the US markets aren't open yet, so I think I'll be even more up, even better later on. Look, they're up 17% this year. I'm not lying. These are the real numbers. These are the real numbers. Friends, these are the real numbers. There I have Barrick Gold, Barrick Mining. I think it's going to go up. I have hundreds of miners in Australia and Canada. I can't show them all. It's in my portfolio. You have to buy my trade alerts and my portfolio Telegram. You see my tanker stocks there, up 46%, and it's up plus 4% overnight trading, Himalaya shipping. There, that's how I make money. Those are the tankers. And here's another, the tanker Nordic American tankers, up 20% in one night. I told you, friends, I told you we'd make a lot of money. Up 20%, I have plenty like that, plenty. You have to check my trade alerts. I have plenty. I'll show you another. A Greek tanker up 7% overnight there, friends. Yet another energy transportation, up 5%, Toro Corp. And yes, friends, it's pretty easy to see, and of course, as expected, tech is down. This morning, it's down about 3%. ServiceNow, my short position there, is up 20% on this ServiceNow short. I'm still holding on to it. Still, honestly, it's crap. It's just crap. There's Intuit still down, minus 1.7%. They're up 9%, my short on Intuit. There, Figma still going down into the cellar. There, up 25%. There, the software stocks, everything I shorted, that's going up too. Duolingo, of course, is crap. 30-40% profit, minus 4% tonight. It's really crap. Lululemon, same thing, I shorted it, up 8%. There, it's... And here we go now. Technip FMC, you know, the one that's going to be the French company bought out at the best time by the Americans. Look, up 3%. Look at the Technip stock. Well, it's not French anymore, friends. It's not French. And they're up 26% on this trade. Thank you. Thank you, Americans. Here's another oil company, Valaris. Up 30%, friends. I won't go through the whole list, but you have my trade alerts on my site. And here's a little African miner, up 66%. I won't list them all. There are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds like that. That's why I'm up 17% this year. Look. African gold plus 8%. It was in Australia, so the market is closed, plus 8%. And yes, friends, it's easy to make money, but you have to follow me. If you don't want to do the work, you have to follow me. You have to buy my trade alerts. It's just $19 a month. Friends, let's go.